Sarah was 27 years old, working a solid job at a mid-sized company in Ohio. She had a 401k enrollment packet sitting on her kitchen counter, unopened, for 3 years straight. Every time she looked at it, she thought, I'll deal with that later. Then her coworker Marcus mentioned he already had over $30,000 saved. Same salary, same company. Sarah finally opened that packet. Today, we're going to walk through everything she learned and everything you need to know about the 401k.
So what exactly is a 401k? At its core, it's a retirement savings account offered through your employer. You choose a percentage of your paycheck to contribute, and that money gets invested, typically in a mix of mutual funds, index funds, and bonds. The big deal is the tax advantage. With a traditional 401k, your contributions come out of your paycheck before taxes, which lowers your taxable income today. The account then grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes until you withdraw the money in retirement. Sarah had no idea her company had been offering this the whole time.
Here's where a lot of people get confused, including Sarah. Most employers now offer two flavors, the traditional 401k and the Roth 401k. With the traditional version, you contribute pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income now, but you'll owe income taxes when you withdraw in retirement. With the Roth 401k, you contribute after-tax dollars, so no upfront tax break, but your money grows tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. Many financial experts suggest that younger workers in lower tax brackets may benefit more from the Roth option, since they have decades of tax-free growth ahead of them.
Now here's the part that finally got Sarah's attention. Most employers who offer a 401k also offer a matching contribution, meaning your company puts additional money into your account based on what you contribute. A common structure is a 100% match on the first 3% of your salary that you contribute. So if you earn $60,000 and contribute 3%, that's $1,800 from you and potentially $1,800 more from your employer. That's an immediate boost to your retirement savings built into your compensation package. Many financial advisors consider not contributing enough to capture the full match one of the most costly retirement mistakes people make. Always check your plan documents, as vesting schedules and match amounts vary by employer.
Here's the number that made Sarah's jaw drop. A 27-year-old contributing just $300 per month into a 401k, roughly $10 a day, could potentially accumulate around $847,000 by age 67, assuming a 7% average annual return, historically consistent with diversified market portfolios. That's the power of compound growth over 4 decades. And remember, that assumes no employer match. Add a match on top of that, and the number climbs even higher. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but this illustrates why time in the market is one of the most valuable assets a young investor has.
Let's look at what compound growth actually looks like over decades. This chart shows 3 different monthly contribution amounts, $200, $400, and $600, all starting at age 27 and running to age 67, using an assumed 7% average annual return. Notice how the lines barely separate in the first 10 years, but by the time you hit your 50s, the difference is dramatic. This is exactly the chart Sarah's HR manager showed her. The takeaway isn't about contributing a perfect amount, it's about starting, because time is the one ingredient you can't buy back. All investing involves risk, and actual results will vary. One thing Sarah needed to understand was how much she could actually contribute. For 2024, the IRS allows employees to contribute up to $23,000 per year to their 401k. If you're age 50 or older, you can make an additional catch-up contribution of $7,500, bringing your personal limit to $30,500. When you include employer contributions, the total combined limit is $69,000. Most Americans don't hit the maximum, and that's okay. The important thing is to contribute consistently. Even starting at 5% or 6% of your salary and increasing it by 1% each year can make a meaningful difference over time.
Here's another way to look at the data. This chart shows the relationship between what percentage of income you save and whether financial planners generally consider you on track for retirement. The gray zone is the most common.
people saving between 1% and 4%, which research suggests is often not enough to maintain pre-retirement lifestyle. The recommended target most financial planners point to is 10% to 15% of gross income, including your employer's contribution. Sarah was at 0%. After seeing this chart, she set her contribution to 6%, enough to capture her employer's full match, and planned to increase it over time.
Sarah also wanted to know, what if she needed the money before retirement? Here's the reality. If you withdraw from a traditional 401k before age 59 and a half, you'll generally owe a 10% early withdrawal penalty on top of ordinary income taxes. That can eat a significant chunk of your savings quickly. There are some exceptions, like certain hardship situations or disability, but they're limited. On the other end, once you hit age 73, the IRS requires you to start taking required minimum distributions, or RMDs, each year. The key message: a 401k is designed for retirement, not a short-term savings account. Plan accordingly.
So how do you actually do this? For most people, it's simpler than it sounds. Log into your company's HR or benefits portal, or ask HR directly, and find the 401k enrollment section. Choose your contribution percentage. If your employer offers a match, start by contributing at least enough to capture the full match. Then choose your investments. If you're not sure where to start, many plans offer target date funds, which automatically adjust your asset allocation as you get closer to retirement. This is exactly what Sarah did. She set it up in 20 minutes during her lunch break. This video is for educational purposes only. Consider speaking with a financial advisor for guidance tailored to your situation.
Today, Sarah has been contributing to her 401k for 2 years. She's at 7% of her salary, capturing her full employer match, and her balance is already approaching $14,000. She didn't overhaul her budget overnight. She just started. Here are the 4 things to take away from today. Start contributing now. Even a small percentage matters. Always contribute enough to get your full employer match. Understand whether traditional or Roth is better for your situation. And commit to increasing your contribution rate by just 1% per year. Small, consistent steps taken early can build serious wealth over decades. All investments carry risk, and results will vary.
Everything in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Tax rules, contribution limits, and employer plan details vary and may change. Please consult a licensed financial professional before making decisions about your retirement savings. Past performance does not guarantee future results. All investing